All right, so Chuck, we're in front of this beautiful B model Mack. Tell us about this Mack. Tell us what's going on here.
This is Petunia.
Petunia.
Petunia. Now I had a Mack back in the 80s named Petunia. It didn't have a bunk on it.
Okay.
This is the one that I bought in Reno, Nevada at the ATHS show a couple years ago.
Yeah.
It was my second addition to the fleet.
Wow.
And
the fleet of old truck for a retired guy.
And this was restored over an 8-year period by, actually he's the president of the Antique Auto Car Club.
Oh, okay.
Bill Alexander in Mansfield, Ohio. And I purchased this from him, saw a photo of it at the show on the bulletin board, saw the truck. Bill came over and just did the deal there.
So what was the factor that really drew you to this truck? I mean, it's got a lot of nice options on it.
I have to tell you, I have a real soft spot for B models.
Okay.
I always like it, just a look.
Right.
I think everybody that likes cars or trucks or something, motorcycles, there's a look of a vehicle, and I think this is probably one of the most iconic of all trucks.
Right.
Because they made tens of thousands of these trucks.
Right.
They ruled the road in the 50s and 60s and into the 70s even, as well, right into the 80s. They were still running up and down. You'll still see the odd ones sometimes still working.
And these are these ones. This flips up, right? This is the side hoods.
Yes, you have pretty good access to the hood. On some of them you have to, like this one here, to do anything, sometimes you have to take the front fenders off. There's screws there.
Now these options, they didn't have straight pipes. I don't remember in 19.
Had that in 1964.
Yeah, so he's put in extra options. Whoever built this, and
that's one, and it's a Kenworth sleeper. It's not a Mack sleeper.
Okay, so he couldn't find a Mack sleeper, so he put Kenworth sleeper, straight pipes, and he ran out of money, so he didn't put any fenders on the back. Is that
Didn't need them.
If there's no, that's the fuel tank. What's in this space here? Is that always open here?
Yeah. Now, really, my understanding is this truck.
Or is this in working? Because you don't have, or you just didn't put the fenders on.
This truck lived its first number of years as a straight truck of some sort.
Oh, okay.
So this was all put on after.
That would make sense then. Okay. Yeah, because I was wondering why it was styled that way.
That's the reason.
So,
it wasn't always a...
It's almost like we still got to finish the back. We got to here. Looks good. It looks weird though. I mean, those tanks were normal when you and I started driving. Every truck had that.
Yeah.
But it looks weird now because we're so used to seeing the big, aluminum stainless tanks.
It would take you hours and hours to burn that much fuel in those So it didn't matter.
No, it was good. It was good. That's a wonderful truck. What about the interior? Anything special on the interior?
You know what? He did a great job. I don't know whether he restored. I think that this he may have painted. It looks like But they all Mack. I think it's the only color they made. They did the B models was this putrid green, which if you're a Mack guy, you kind of love it. It's got a 5x3 transmission.
Wow, very cool. Nice truck. Very nice.